Good morning friends. Today we will know benefits of eating raisins. Raisins are rich in fiber which helps in digestion. Soak 10 to 12 raisins in a glass of water and at night and drink this water with raisins on an empty stomach in the morning. Raisins contain all the nutrients that help in increasing immunity. Consuming it daily in winter helps in fighting bacteria and infection. Raisins have antibacterial properties. It helps in fighting bacteria and removes bad breath. Raisins contain high amount of calcium and micronutrients. This keeps the bones healthy and strong. Raisins are rich in iron. Eating raisins soaked in water daily increase blood in the body and thus prevent anemia. Raisins are rich in fiber and other nutrients which control the cholesterol level and also prevent heart disease. For such a unique information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.